Oh ha? May pa-transition pa tayo dyan. Looking forward makapagbabad at makapagbilad sa araw. Let's make it the Hong Kong way. Sa beach na kung tawagin, virgin. Payapa kasi ang lugar. Walang establishments. Walang manggugulo. Mula sa fine white sand hanggang sa clear waters ito, ang beach na ito sa Hong Kong, malaburakay daw ang atake. Kilala ang Hong Kong sa maganda nitong cityscape, pero hindi rin naman papakabog ang malaparaisong nitong mga beach. Gaya nitong Long Ke Beach. Pero bago makapagtampisaw sa dagat, matcha-challenge muna sa lakaran.
So we hike about 50 minutes already, so
Right.
that's why another 50 minutes we'll arrive there.
You know what I realized during my trips here in Hong Kong, most especially when I do the trails, you have signages like this, which is
Yes.
very, very useful for tourists. And you know the direction.
And
which is-
clear information.
Very clear
for
information.
safety.
Mga biyero, nakikita na natin from where we are. That's Long Ke Beach. Long means wave, Ke means eggplant.
Konting lakad pa, naramdaman na rin ng paa ko ang maputi at pinong buhangin.
Ano ba naman yung 20 to 30 minute walk? Mapapadpad ka na dito sa Long Ke Beach. Na originally, it's actually for drug rehabilitation. That's the drug rehabilitation center. This is one of your options to go. And look at this. That's White Beach. Wala masyadong tao.
Sulitin na natin ng payapang paligid. Best time ito para makahinga at magmuni-muni. Bawal muna ang maingay ha. Hehe.
I am the meeting is a Biyahe. God! All you gotta do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel of GMA Public Affairs and you can just watch all the Behind the Drew episodes all day, forever in your life. Let's go! Yeehaw!